Hello friends, welcome my channels. Today's discussions is series integration and series. So friends, let's start to solve this problem. Integration. Before this root x, we shall take root x is equal to t. So x is equal to t square, and that implies dx is equal to 2t into dt, and it can be written this way: 0 to infinity cos t divided by e to the power 2 pi t minus 1 into 2t into dt. This way it can be written, and after that it can be written 0 to infinity 2 into cos t e to the power minus 2 pi t divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi t into dt. Next, so friends, we know this is the formula. One formula, that 1 by 1 minus x equals to summation k equals to 0 to infinity x to the power k. So friends, I apply this formula. So it can be written this way: 2 into 0 to infinity cos t into e to the power into summation n equals to 0 to infinity into t into e to the power minus n plus 1 2 pi into t into dt. I can write this way, and after that it can be written this way: summation n equals to 0 to infinity cos t 0 to infinity e to the power minus n plus 1 into 2 pi t into cos t dt. So friends, equals to n equals to 0 to infinity L, it can be written L t into cos t, where s is equal to n plus 1 into 2 pi, and after that it can be written summation n equals to 0 to infinity, and lt cos t equals to, it can be another formula. You have to know the Laplace, that Laplace formula L into tft is equal to minus f dash s. Now L cos t equals to, this is the formula friends, I just apply this formula, is equal to s square s divided by s square minus s square. plus a square, sorry, not minus, and L into t cos t is equal to s square minus a square divided by s square plus a square, applying this formula f dash s, this whole square. This formula I use in here, so I can write s is in here, you will see n plus 1 into 2 pi, so it can be written n plus 1 into 2 pi whole square minus 1 square divided by 2 pi into n plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. This is the process. It can be written this way. After that, it can be written this way: summation n equals to 0 to infinity n plus 1 into 2 pi whole square plus 1 divided by plus 1 minus 2, and here is multiplying also 2, so it is multiplying also 2 multiply, then we multiply 2 into 2 pi into n plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity 2 into n equals to 0 to infinity 2 into n plus 1 in infinity divided by 2 pi n plus 1 whole square plus 1 divided by 1 minus 4 into summation 1 equals to 0 to infinity 1 by 2 pi into n plus 1 whole square plus 1. This is the formula, friends. I apply this formula. After that, I can write this way: this formula I will write, I apply one formula. It can be written this way, that 2 into 4 pi square summation n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by n plus 1 whole square plus 1 by 4 pi square, and minus 1 by 4 pi whole to the power 4 this portion also. This is the whole square, so 2 pi 4 pi whole to the power 4 summation n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by n plus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 pi square into the power whole square. So friends, this is the formula. Now I can write this way. Now I apply one formula. That formula is summation n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by n square plus a square equals to pi cot h pi a divided by a plus 1 by 2a. So friends, this formula I can prove easily by the Euler product of the hyperbolic. Means how it is coming. This formula is coming sin h pi x divided by pi x is equal to k equals to 1 to n equals to 1 n equals to 1 to infinity 1 plus x square by n square. This formula is coming. We get this formula after some derivative and log. So friends, I can write this way: 2 divided by 4 pi square into n equals to 0 to infinity n equals to 1 to infinity. It is 1 by n square plus 1 by 4 pi square. It can be written as n plus 1, as n equals to 0, so n plus 1, so n equals to 1, then n plus n square, and minus 1 by 4 pi square pi to the power 4 summation n equals to 1 to infinity 1 by n square, it is 4 pi square, plus 1 by 2 pi whole square into whole square. So friends, you just see the technique, simple technique. So I apply this formula. Which formula friends? This formula I will apply. This formula I apply. So according to this formula, whatever I get friends, I get 1 by 2 pi square minus pi into cot h pi divided by 2 pi divided by 2 into 1 by 2 pi. This is the 2a also. plus 1 by 2 into, here a is equal to 1 by sorry, it is a square is equal to 1 by 4 pi square. This is the process. Minus 1 by 4 pi whole to the power 4 into, it can be written this way, 1 by 2x ddx into summation n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by n square plus x square, where x is equal to, you can see where x is equal to 1 by 2 pi. It can be written this way. You can see that I apply this formula, this portion can be written into this way. This portion can be written into this way. Very simple, friends. I hope you can understand. Next, it can be written one by 2 pi square. It can be written this way. Half into cot h into half pi square just simple calculation, because this pi and this pi is pi square, this is and this is cut, and 2 is 2 cut, so half into cot h half minus plus 2 minus plus 2 and plus 2, it will be cutted, it will be plus 1 minus 1 by 4 pi whole to the power 4 limit x tends to 1 by 2 pi into ddx 1 by 2x into ddx pi cot h pi x by x by 2x x plus 1 by 2 x square it can be written this way. Equals to half cot h half minus 1 and just differentiate derivative limit and minus 1 by one by 4 pi whole to the power 4 pi square minus pi square cosec h square cosec h square pi x divided by divided by 2x minus pi cot h pi x divided by 2x square, just simple derivative. Okay friends, simple derivatives, minus 1 by x cube. This is my total differentiations. So and into 1 by 2x where x is equal to 1 by 2 pi, x is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Now just putting the value, half into cot h into half minus 1 minus 1 by 4 pi whole to the power 4, and it should be minus pi square cosec h square half, and putting in here 2 into 1 by pi square. Just putting 2 pi, so x is equal to 2 pi, 1 by 2 pi, and two pi into 4 pi square, so 4 cut, and minus pi into cot h into half divided by 2 into 1 by 4 pi square into 1 by 2 pi minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 pi whole cube. Just putting this, very simple. And after that I can write this way: half into cot h into half minus 1, and this is the pi to the power 4 will be common. Then whatever I get minus 1 by 4 cosec. Here it is plus, here is some mistake, this value is plus, this value it will be plus, so it is plus, it is minus cosec h square half minus half into this portion and this portion cut, then 4 cut, so it is half into pi cot h half, and this value is pi cube pi to the power 4, this value is pi to the power 4 to pi and it is minus 8, sorry not 8, it is 4, this value is 4, this value is 2, and it can be written this way: half into cot h 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 4 cosec h square half minus half into pi cot h into half. So the value should be this way, this value and this value will be cutted, and minus 3 into minus plus 1 by 4 1 by 4 into 4 divided by root e plus 1 by root e whole square, it is minus, it should be minus, and the value is minus 3 minus e divided by e minus 1 whole square. So friends, next we start this problem. This problem is double series problem. It can be written this way: summation m equals to 0 to infinity and summation n equals to 1 to infinity 1 by n square plus it is not plus, this is minus m square plus 1 by 2 whole square. It can be written this way, equals to summation m equals to 0 to infinity summation n equals to 1 to infinity this way it can be written 2 divided by 2m plus 1 whole square minus cot pi into 2m plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2m plus 1 1. So friends, this value is 0, as cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. So we get this value, we get this answer equals to summation m equals to 0 to infinity 2 divided by 2m plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into pi square by 8 is equal to pi square by 4. So this is the total formula, and after that friends, I just note sin pi x by pi x. Sin pi x by pi x is equal to Euler product. I apply this formula that k equals to 1 to infinity 1 minus x square by k square equals to log, I am taking log both sides, sin pi x minus log pi x equals to summation k equals to 1 to infinity log k square minus x square minus log k, 2 log k. This is the formula. After that, they differentiate both sides with respect to ddx in both sides. I apply in here ddx. So whatever I get pi into cos pi x divided by sin pi x minus 1 by pi into pi x is equal to minus 2x divided by k square minus x square summation k equals to infinity equal to, it can be written summation k equals to 1 to infinity 1 by k square minus x square divided by 1 by 2x square divided by pi cot pi x divided by 2x. This is the formula, friends. And similarly we can show that sine is, similarly we can say that k equals to 1 to infinity 1 by k square plus x square is equal to different formula, friends. Whatever we use it in our previous problem. Which problem? Here you will see that I apply this formula, divide by pi pi into cot h pi x divided by 1 plus 2 x square. So this is the formula. Now friends, we will solve next problem. Next problem is this formula. So how can I solve this problem, friends? This problem is very easy problems. It can be written this way: n equals to 0 to infinity k equals to 0 to infinity n minus k factorial 0 to 1 x to the power n plus k dx. And we can write this way, that minus x to the power n plus k into minus 1 to the power n divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial. After that, friends, we can solve this way, that we can write 0 to 1 n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n into summation k equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power k x to the power k and x to the power n by n factorial into n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial, because as this formula is nck is equal to n factorial divided by k factorial and n minus k factorial. This formula I can apply in here. Very simple, friends, very easy, it is not so much tough. After that, 0 to 1 n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n divided by n factorial question is slightly wrong in here. I just correct this question. This is n and this portion is n and this portion I just correct it, friends, is n and this is n. So it can be written this way: k equals to 0 to n factorial nck minus x to the power k into 1 to the power n minus k into dx. So friends, this formula we can use in here, and after that we can write this way. Zero to n equals to 0 to infinity, and it can be written x to the power n divided by n factorial, and it is 1 minus x to the power 1 minus x to the power n dx, and after that it can be written 0 to 1 summation n equals to 0 to infinity x minus x square whole to the power n divided by n factorial dx equals to 0 to 1 e to the power x minus x square dx, and it can be written this way: 0 to 1 e to the power minus x minus half whole square plus 1 by 4 into dx, and after that it is e to the power 1 by 4 0 to 1 e to the power minus x minus half whole square into dx, and x minus half equals to u. So my limit is also changing. I can write 4 into root e minus half into half e to the power minus u square into du, and it can be written this way: 4 into root over e 0 to half e to the power minus u square into du, it can be written 2 into 4 into e, and we know that it can be written root pi by 2 into error fc half. As you have to know the formula. Which formula, friends? Formula is very simple. Error formula, as error f z is equal to 2 by root over pi into 0 to z into e to the power minus t square into dt. This is the error fc formula. So friends, I hope that I can clear every formula, and this problem is very knowledgeable and conceptual. Thanks for watching.